Hi, I'm Elly. Today I will show you a bigger number and here it is. 11. 1 and 1 makes 11 and it is bigger number than 10. It comes after 10 by counting. So we will count from the beginning and you have to join me. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It comes after 10. Now let's start counting. Join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After 10 comes 11. 11 is the bigger number after 10. 11. Now thank you.